Alright, robot. Today's episode is to try to rebuild this gate here. This looks like just your normal gate, which should just lift up out of here. The only two minor technical issues, here's one. This guy is going to temporarily run all over the yard. That guy's a little shy, he isn't going to do anything, that's a she. But Lambkin here is going to get out and run around the yard, follow me up the hill. So there's a scoop. I got to get all this hardware off of here. I've got to pick this up and haul it up to the garage where I'm going to do all the cutting and assembly. In order for us to declare brilliance, that's what it's going to take. There's my new gate. And there's the reason I had to build a new gate. We had to do several things. One is we had to adjust this fence post, get it more level, in order to get this gate to close as well as it did. We ended up adjusting this hinge here. Other than that, we basically built it in the same way the other one was built. That guy wants his lunch. Watch it, you two. Yeah, I know what you want. Give me a second. Don't eat my camera.